Welcome to Top Picks Now. The Best Robots is probably one of the most exciting categories of toys for 9-year-old boys, offering a fantastic blend of fun, education, and futuristic exploration that can captivate young minds and encourage hours of imaginative play, making it a top choice for parents seeking engaging and stimulating gifts that go beyond the ordinary. Number 5. ThinkFun Gravity Maze. Spark your imagination and hone critical thinking skills. Tackle engineering challenges through play, fostering intellectual development in an immersive STEM experience. This innovative game merges fun and education, making it ideal for fostering classroom skills. Watch as your child becomes engrossed in strategic planning, both in school and at home. Open a world of construction possibilities as you solve marble puzzles that challenge your imagination. It includes everything you need for endless design possibilities. You'll love solving challenges and constructing complex runs with friends and family. This builds communication and reasoning skills while having fun. It's a great birthday or holiday gift for kids who love logic games and creative problem solving. They will learn from this challenging, Montessori-friendly game. What we like. This toy is a fantastic blend of fun and education, perfect for honing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. If you have a child who loves puzzles and building, this offers endless creative possibilities. It's ideal for fostering intellectual development through engaging, hands-on play. What people say. The remote control car is easy to operate and the steering is responsive. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, which is great for extended playtime. The car is quite durable and has survived several bumps and crashes. Number 4. PlayShifu Orboot Earth AR Globe. Discover a world of wonder with augmented reality. Explore fascinating animals, diverse cultures, and global landmarks. It's packed with over 1,000 facts and exciting games to spark curiosity. Develop key skills in geography, problem solving, and memory. Through engaging AR activities and quizzes, it fosters a love for discovery and learning in young minds. Encourage hands-on discovery with this interactive globe. It's perfect for homeschools and classrooms, promoting active and engaging learning experiences. Collect fun stickers and travel the world with the included passport. This unique experience sparks imagination and supports an early learning journey. Enjoy interactive games, quizzes, and activities that keep children engaged for years. It's a valuable STEM toy supporting lasting developmental growth. Download the free app on your device to unlock an incredible AR adventure. It's compatible with most iOS and Android devices, ready for exploration. What we like. This product brings the world to life with exciting augmented reality features, offering over 1,000 facts about animals, places, and monuments. If you're looking for a way to spark curiosity and teach geography in an engaging way, this is a great choice. It's perfect for early learners and budding STEM enthusiasts who enjoy interactive discovery. What people say. The toy is very engaging and keeps my child entertained for hours. It's a great educational toy that helps develop problem-solving skills. The build quality is excellent and it seems very durable. Number 3. National Geographic Glow-in-the-Dark Marble Run. Unleash your creativity with this exciting marble run kit. It's designed for endless fun and imaginative building possibilities. Our pieces fit together snugly, ensuring your creation stays intact during play. With multiple bases and track pieces, the configurations are limitless. Watch as 15 colorful marbles light up the dark. Kids will be captivated by the glowing effect as they race down the tracks. Keep all your building components and glowing marbles organized with the included storage bag. Cleanup is a breeze. This toy is more than just fun, it's an educational experience. Discover the physics of motion and aerodynamics through hands-on experiments. From an award-winning brand, this toy encourages education, imagination, and creativity. Plus, enjoy stellar support from our US team. What we like. This marble run kit stands out with its exciting glow-in-the-dark marbles, adding a unique visual element to the building experience. If you want a construction toy that offers a bit of extra magic and encourages exploration of physics, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy building and seeing their creations come to life in a fun, illuminated way. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making assembly a breeze. My son spent hours playing with this toy, and it kept him engaged and entertained. Number 2. Holy Stone HS-190 Foldable Mini Drone. This mini drone is designed for effortless fun. With simple one-click takeoff and landing, even beginners can enjoy flying. Plus, exciting 3D flips add an extra thrill to every flight. Enjoy a stable flight with altitude hold, keeping it hovering at a set height. The headless mode makes navigation intuitive, always relative to your perspective, ensuring a carefree experience for all. It offers 3 adjustable speed modes, low, medium, and high. This allows pilots of all skill levels to customize their flying experience and enjoy different challenges. Safety is paramount with propeller guards protecting little hands. An emergency stop function ensures it lands immediately, minimizing the risk of damage or injury. This drone is incredibly compact, folding neatly into its controller. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, making it perfect for taking anywhere and a fantastic gift for indoor or outdoor adventures. We stand by our product with a 30-day warranty on the unit and a 90-day warranty on accessories. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to help with any questions or suggestions. What we like. This mini drone is incredibly portable and designed for ease of use, making it perfect for beginners and kids. If you're looking for a fun, interactive toy that can be taken anywhere, this is an excellent choice. Its features like altitude hold and one-click takeoff ensure a smooth and enjoyable flying experience for young pilots. What people say. The remote control car is very durable and has survived several crashes. It has a long battery life, providing hours of playtime. The car's speed and maneuverability are impressive, making it fun to race. Number 1. FLASHDASH Flashing Cube Electronic Memory Game. Enhance your hand-eye coordination, reaction time, and memory with this engaging brain game. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go fun. Test your speed, focus, and accuracy in exciting reflex games. Can you press the red lights fast enough while dodging the green and grabbing the blue? Master the follow and remember me modes to improve your pattern recall. These engaging STEM toys grow with your skill level, offering a continuous challenge. After each round, enjoy a dazzling light show. It's a fantastic game for the whole family, suitable for both kids and adults. This compact cube is built for durability, similar to a Rubik's Cube. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves challenging light-up toys. What we like. This electronic cube offers a variety of engaging light-based games that are excellent for boosting memory, focus, and reaction time. If you're seeking a compact and durable toy that provides challenging fun for the whole family, this is a great pick. It's ideal for kids who enjoy fast-paced games and testing their cognitive skills in a cool, sensory way. What people say. The remote control car is very durable and has survived several crashes. The car's speed and maneuverability are impressive, making it fun to race. The battery life is excellent, providing long playtime on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.